Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we are going to make a DIY rustic coffee table, or it also could be used as an ottoman, out of a skid. To start, we're going to take our skid and sand it down nice and smooth and clean it all up. Now we want to stain our skid. I'm going to be using two stains layered. The first stain that I'm going to use is this one, Hurricane Pine, not exactly sure how to say that one. I'm going to coat it on, covering everywhere on the skid except for the bottom, because I'm not going to cover the bottom because we don't see the bottom. And then I'm going to take a rag and wipe off the excess stain. After completing this, I'm going to do my next layer, which is worn navy. And I'm going to coat it on and quickly wipe it off so that it doesn't stain too much, as I just want a subtle blue in my wood grain. Now that that's done, I'm going to be using these wood legs from IKEA. I'm going to sand them down so that there's no more shiny bits on it, so that I can stain it properly. Here you can see the difference between the sanded one and the one that still has the shiny piece on it. So we're going to complete this for all 4 of my legs. These legs came with these felt stickies that you put on the bottom to prevent scratching. I'm going to put them on before staining so that it actually raises it up, so I don't have to worry about the stain pooling at the bottom. I'm going to be staining this the same way that I stained the skid, except for the worn navy stain. I'm actually going to be leaving it for 10 minutes rather than wiping it off right away, as because this is new wood, it doesn't absorb as much. Now that these have been sitting for 10 minutes, I'm going to take my rag and wipe it off and reveal what my wood legs are going to look like. And then after that, I'm going to let everything dry for about 2 hours before my next step. Now that everything's dry, I've flipped over my skid and I'm going to drill holes for the legs to go in on all 4 corners. Once this is complete, I'm going to fill those holes up with some wood glue and then insert each of the wooden legs to each of the 4 corners and let that dry. And there you have it, a beautiful rustic coffee table, or you can even use it as an ottoman like I'm going to use by just placing a pillow on top of it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.